No, she's a fairy.
Phoenix. How old is he now?
5 months.
He's 5 months. Well, this is Phoenix at 5 months. Obviously, he's going to be like his Auntie Lani. Yes, Auntie Lani. He is going to be musical. Hey, Phoenix. PJ. PJ, hello. Let's dance the song. Yeah, good boy. Play us another song. Go on, play us another song. Fun. That's a nice. Better get this thing happy on my big piano. Alright, there go. Don't break it.
Oh, you finished now.
Yes, well, that is PJ playing. No, he's not finished. He really likes it.
What time is it? Is it just 9?
Okay. Say bye-bye, PJ. PJ! PJ, say bye. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.